How was your overall feel that how are the services you found from the ITCS?
Well, I actually didn't feel any pressure with all those documentation work and stuff because you helped us through it. So we didn't feel any, pressure and all those problems we didn't face because you were there to take care. I was like self-inspired. I used to like watch this web series called The Good Doctor.
Oh.
I was inspired from that series. So
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Mr. Kshatra, there is phone number. We spoke to him, and he sounded very confident. And when we visited him, within 1 hour, he made us brush away our inhibitions totally. And the total process, though we have approached him at the fag end of recruitment program, he supported us entirely with immense care, dedication, and skill. And he has also helped us in procuring funds also.
Very good morning. This side Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services Private Limited, Bangalore. Today we are traveling to one of the prestigious University of Russian Federation for making doctors from India, that is Penza State University. It is one of the reputed universities teaching medical course in English medium since long years 1999. Almost 25 plus of batches is already passed out from this university. This is the only university in Russia which takes care A to Z services for students, from Indian food to FMG coaching to personal care and providing support for the local licensing exam in India. In the series of making doctors from the India, today we have Malvika from Bangalore, and along with her the entire family. We are going to take Malvika today to Penza State Medical University, Russia. In the short video, we'll just try to understand how they are satisfied with the ITCS services, how they have got the entire information through ITCS during the counseling round, and finally, as they are traveling to Penza, what's their feel into the whole journey. Hello, Malvika. Good mic.
Hi, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning.
So, Malvika, I came to know that you came into the very last stage
Yes.
for selecting the universities and all.
Yes.
And today we are taking you along with the same group. Those are waiting since 2 months prior
Yes.
to you. So, how was your overall feel that how are the services you found from the ITCS?
Well, I actually didn't feel any pressure with all those documentation work and stuff because you helped us through it. So we didn't feel any, pressure and all those problems we didn't face because you were there to take care. So overall, it was
Okay.
stress-free and
So,
pressure.
you want to become a doctor. What inspired you actually to go for this profession? Because you know it's a very long study profession.
Yes.
Okay, general study, if you go for engineering and all, after 4 years you start earning itself. But here 6 years of study, again 1 year of licensing exam and internship in India, then you'll get a UG registration. After again you have to do PG, then again you have to go for specialization. Whole life is study. Although you shortlisted doctor profession, what was the things in your mind?
Well, actually, I was inspired. I was self-inspired. I used to watch this web series called The Good Doctor.
Oh.
I was inspired from that series.
Uh-huh.
So yeah.
Okay. So you are ready to take the challenges of long
Yes.
year of studies.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you and giving us for the service opportunity and all. I'll speak with father. Hello, chef.
Hello, sir. And I am Naveen from Bangalore. The thing is that when my daughter actually she didn't inform me, she put a bomb on me, telling that she is opting for studying MBBS abroad. I was totally taken back because I was not knowing what are the things that may be coming in front of us. So we were perplexed, confused, and totally afraid to tell. Being afraid is the right word. So like that, we have contacted many consultant firms who actually clearing our doubts and making us feel confident enough. They enhanced our fear factor. So
Enhance your fear factor.
yeah,
Okay.
they have enhanced our fear factor, and finally what happened, we thought that okay, somehow one day by chance we got Mr. Kshetradhari's phone number. We spoke to him, and he sounded very confident. And when we visited him, within 1 hour, he made us brush away our inhibitions totally. And the total process, though we have approached him at the fag end of recruitment program, he supported us entirely with immense care, dedication, and skill. And he has also helped us in procuring funds also through banks. The document process and the guidance, everything was spotless, and it was very easy for us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Kshetradhari, and
Thank you, sir.
all the
Thanks
best
for
you.
giving service opportunity. See, basically, sir, one thing we know, when we work for a child, it's a like our work is actually seen by God.
Yes.
So definitely, I can say from my side, whatever I can do, that promises only I do basically with the students and all, with the parents and all. Those are not in my hand. Even I won't talk about that. And even though I will not say, or will though I won't promise about that. As I promised, I'll travel with you. I'll make your all arrangements. Today I'm here at airport. Just I returned back 2 days before from the Moscow, and today again I am traveling only because I have promised that yes, I'll travel with you all. Okay, so definitely I'll maintain the same thing. But one point, last not least, I always say with all the students related to academic part, not a single support we can provide you. Academic is completely up to the student. Related to the non-academic section, whatever the support is required, just one call or one message away. I'm there to help and support for the entire 6 year, and even after that for your FMG, then doing internship. For every step I'm there. My wish to complete your dream, complete the specialization into the medical course, and fulfill the dream of your family. Thank you, and thanks for giving service opportunity.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. You stay connected with us for knowing more success stories of making doctors from India. Thank you.